Well, hello everyone. Technology has become so advanced that you now have the ability to float round your neighborhood on a real-life hoverboards and have your shopping turn up at your door without having to leave your home. These new glasses allow you to see the world in a different perspective. Today we are going to dive into some futuristic gadgets. Let's go! Up first we have the Laser Pecker 2. This is a 2-in-1 laser that not only cuts, but also engraves onto virtually anything including metal, dark glass, colored ceramics and more. It has an engraving speed of 600 mm per second, and the cross-platform compatibility of the LaserPecker 2 allows you to use it with your mobile and desktop devices. The battery lasts up to 3 hours, so you can engrave away at any location without having to worry about it running out. From personal use to DIY artwork and commercial business use, LaserPecker 2 can be easily assembled and costs around $499. You will love this handcrafted artificial intelligence voice assistant. It's a hologram which can be personalized, so you can add your own preferences to the point where you can live with a fun little character designed by yourself. In addition to the ability to tell you the weather, laugh at your jokes and find you new shoes, each sidekick lives in a house equipped with a holographic display, a microphone system, and of course speakers improving the quality of the sound. Sidekick has been helpful for people with autism, Alzheimer's, and for curing loneliness. It has its own mobile app which helps you learn while having fun. It has plenty of storage and a home which is interchangeable. TickTime. TickTime gives you that extra focus in order to boost your productivity every minute of your day. It has not 1 but 6 preset timings. Just flip TickTime so the time you want to count down is facing up. The timer starts automatically. You can also manually set the time by adjusting the minutes and seconds using the buttons they provide. You can adjust the alarm volume to the appropriate level, including silent mode, depending on your environment. Place TickTime with its name facing upwards and counting time begins. There is a large time range, so it gives you plenty of time to cook that yummy lasagna in the oven. It's light and small, so it can be carried almost everywhere. TickTime has a magnetic side which can stick to the fridge or any metal surfaces to leave you hands-free while keeping track of the time. This item cost $30.99. One of the most time-consuming and tiring tasks of adulthood is grocery shopping, which is why you ought to take a look at Robomart, the world's first grocery delivery service. It brings groceries directly to your doorstep, and all is required by you is to check what is accessible in each cart so that you can have it come to your door with just a click of a button. Use the app to unlock the door and choose your desired items. Inmo Air. Have you ever seen wearable technology that overlays software information over the real world? Inmo Air glasses feature a powerful processor, a side HD camera, a zoom lens, and gesture control for hands-free communication. They are designed as a smart and risk-free alternative to traditional glasses. GPS provides you with visual navigation and detailed directions right in front of your eyes, so you can set your destination and get directions, record videos and snap photos, and hear and see the world from a first-person perspective without ever having to interact with your phone. With the Inmo Air touchpad you can adjust the volume and play it back, as well as visually see lyrics on the lens. The cost of this item is $469. Lexus Hoverboard. Have you ever floated in midair? I bet you haven't. Lexus produced the floating hoverboard slide which allows you to glide freely in the air. This impressive product is like what you see in science fiction. The technology used doesn't use electricity, but instead superconducting blocks which are cooled by liquid nitrogen. This cooling effect is what keeps the board afloat over the magnetic track. While the Lexus Hoverboard isn't available to the public, it does actually work, so traveling in midair and on water has become a reality.